Recently, I have asked you the question, is 0 even or an odd number? So in this tutorial, I am going to show you 4 different proofs that 0 is an even number. Let's start with the number line. Select any even number at random. I want to select 6. We all know that 6 is an even number because it is divisible by 2. Every one number you jump, the next one will be an even number. So you see, jump 5 to 4, jump 3 to 2, jump 1 to 0, jump 0 to -2, which implies that 0 is an even number. This is our first proof. Let me show you the second one. Remember, every integer you take, you multiply it by 2, it is going to give you an even number. If you take 1 multiplied by 2, this is equal to 2, which means that 2 is an even number. Take 3 multiplied by 2, this is equal to 6, which means that 6 is an even number. If you take 0, you multiply by 2, it is going to give us 0, which implies that 0 is an even number. Second proof. The third one, all even numbers are divisible by 2. Right. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. And 8 divided by 2 is equal to 4, which means that 6, 4, 8 are all even numbers because they are divisible by 2. I mean, it can be divided by 2 without remainder. Likewise, 0 divided by 2 is equal to 0. Since it is divisible by 2, then it implies that 0 is an even number. This is the third proof. Now let us go to the last one. And here is the last proof. Remember that property of even numbers. Whenever you add an even number to an even number, you're going to get an even number. Like 2 plus 4 will give us 6. This is even, this is even, this is even. This is true for all even numbers. And remember, if you add 2 odd numbers, 2 different odd numbers, you're going to get what? An even number. For example, if you take 3 plus 5, all of these are odd numbers, right? This is going to give us 8. Odd and odd will give us even. Even and even will give us even. This property is true. So if this is true, now let us test for a combination of odd and even. This is even and even. This is odd and odd, right? To give even. So what about the combination? If you have odd plus even, what will that give us? It is going to give us odd. So whenever you have an odd number together with an even number, the result will be odd. If the two are all odd, you're going to get even. If the two are all even, you're going to get even. So we know that we are trying to show that 0 is an even number. So if you have 0, which we want to consider as even, plus we would like to add it to another even number like 4. This is going to give us 4. Remember, to get an even number, you have to either combine 2 odds, right? Or 2 evens. You see, 2 evens or 2 odds to get even. But whenever you mix them, you're going to get an odd number. All right. So the result is already even. Then it implies these two must be either odds or evens. But 4 is already an even number. Therefore, 0 must be an even number. And we have learned that if you combine them, you're going to get an odd. So let's see if that is true. Should I do it here? Let me wipe this. If I take 0, we want to consider it as even. You combine it with 3. This is already odd. The result is what? Odd. Oh, sorry, which is 3, right? Which is odd. So we have learned that you can only get odd if you combine them. So this is already odd, then this must be even. So I think I have proven that 0 is an even number. Bye-bye.